Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to do our dictation. Um, I have this paper uploaded. If you want to print it off, if you don't have access to a printer, you can just do it on a piece of paper. That's fine. Just make sure you put sub-step right here, 2.1. The lesson number is 2. And then today's date, 4/16/2020. All right, so we're going to go through our sounds. And if I go too fast, if you need more time, feel free to pause the video, rewind it if you need to hear it again. So the first sound for number 1 is ch. Write the letters that make the sound ch. All right. Number 2, ink. Write the letters that make the sound ink. Number 3, ung. Write the letters that make the sound ung. Number 4, ank. Write the letters that make the sound ank. Number 5, unk. Write the letters that make the sound unk. Okay, we're not going to worry about word elements. We're going to move down to our real words. I'm going to have 5 of them. The first word, bunk. Spell the word bunk. If you need to, tap it out. B-unk, bunk. Number 2, things. Thing, things. Tap it out. Ing, things. Number 3, thank. Thank, thank. Number 4, sink. Ink, sink. Number 5, king, kings. Ing, kings. All right, then we're going to do our nonsense words. We have 3 of them. Number 1, hink. Ink, hink. Number 2, wong. W-ong, wong. And number 3, jonk. J-onk, jonk. After you get done with your real words and your nonsense words, I want you to go back and I want you to underline any digraphs. Then I want you to underline the root words and circle any suffixes. And then the last thing you need to do is box the glued or welded sounds. All right, after you do that, we're going to move to phrases. We've got 3 of those. Remember, these have those the sight words, the trick words, so they're tricky. So some of these you cannot sound out, but if you remember before the break, you typed them out on Canvas. You had to type them 5 times or write them 5 times. All right, so here's number 1. Her 6 cats. Her 6 cats. Number 2. How do you? How do you? And number 3, she could do. She could do. All right, and your sentences. Number 1, thank Dad for the gum. Remember when you do your sentences, what a sentence starts with and what it needs to end with. I'll repeat the sentence again. Thank Dad for the gum. Tap out each word. Thank, thank, Dad, dad, for the gum, gum. All right, number 2. Mom and Ben got rid of the junk. Mom, mom, and Ben, Ben, got, got, rid, rid, of the junk, junk. All right, and the last one, Tom sang the song to the kids. Tom, sang, sang, the song, song, to the kids, kid, kids. All right, when you get done with those, have your mom or dad or grandma or grandpa or sister or uncle or whoever's helping you take a picture and email it to me. Talk to you later. Bye.